Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing IDE platform where you can run your Python scripts in real time, especially if you are a student and if you're just starting a data science journey, and if you are not sure which IDE to use. I'm recommending Google Colaboratory for the starters. You can go to your Google Drive. It is free for everyone. It is of no cost. You can go to Google Drive and click on New and select the app Google Colaboratory. Even if you don't have the app, you can connect more apps um, from selecting Colaboratory from the list. If you haven't installed, you can install it and it will appear here on the list. So I'm just going to click on the app. It will create a new notebook for you. You can name this notebook anything you want. I'm just naming it my first collab. Here you can start writing your Python scripts directly. One thing I love about Collab is that it requires zero configuration. As a starter, as a beginner, you can just come and use this platform and try out your Python scripts without much of a hassle. And another thing is if you're working, if you're a student or if you're working together with your friend, you can just share this collab and work on your project together simultaneously. Both of you guys could access it, and you guys could work on the same project. And the other advantages, if we need GPU or TPUs when we run our neural networks because it requires that amount of runtime. And Google offers you GPU and TPU free of cost. So it will come in handy when you want to run your neural network codes here. Yeah, those are the advantages of Collab. Um, yeah, if you enjoy my video, like it, comment it. Thank you.